Every video on this channel begins as a completely separate idea.
Each project is carefully planned, from the first process step to the final result. AI tools help visualize scenes, but every sequence is manually selected, arranged, and refined. Building smooth visual storytelling requires extensive editing, timing, and continuity work. No two projects are identical. Every story follows its own visual journey. Every upload is assembled step by step through editing, sequencing, and creative direction. Sound design and narration are carefully crafted to make every process feel immersive.
Every finished video is reviewed and refined before it reaches the audience.
This channel is built through planning, editing, storytelling, and consistent creative work. Thank you for watching Satisfying Process Revealed Crace, where every process story is carefully created from idea to final edit.
New factory stories, impossible transformations, and hidden industrial processes are waiting in the next video.